This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Greektown neighborhood in the Hot West Loop, to a location that's close to restaurants, nightlife, Mariano's Grocery, public transit, and the UIC campus, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly Arkadia. I'm on the party-sized terrace of apartment 3303, a penthouse with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, looking south and turning toward the east for a spectacular view of the Loop skyline. Short walk away to the Loop, to the UIC campus, and a lot more. And just look at the size of this terrace. Wow. It's going to be dazzling when the sun is setting and during the nighttime. Just stepped into a generously sized living dining room. 2 walls of windows looking south and east. Roller shades on all the windows in this apartment. Ceilings up above 9 feet. Wide plank flooring throughout the apartment. Looking toward the entryway. Kitchen with a breakfast bar island. Tile backsplash in the kitchen, under cabinet lighting. Quartz counters. Appliance package that includes a gas range. Side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. Contrasting white lacquer look and lower wood look cabinetry. It's both pendant and track lighting in the kitchen. This would be a great room to entertain in. Turning into the primary/master bedroom. Looking again at floor-to-ceiling windows with roller blinds. There's a ceiling fan. Plenty of space to lay out your bedding and additional furniture. It's a walk-in closet with custom organizers. And that great view out to the skyline. Primary bath has a wide vanity, marble veined tiling on the floor. It's a vanity with mirror, and a walk-in shower with a glass door. Great separation of the bedrooms. Heading back toward the second and third bedrooms, looking at the entryway. This coat closet would have been off to your right. And then there's a powder room. Again, great when you're having guests over. Second bedroom also has a ceiling fan, or a ceiling window. Continuing. Straight ahead, behind the louvered door, is a laundry room with a side-by-side washer-dryer. Turning into the second bath, finishes similar to what you saw in the primary. And there's a tub with a body spray attachment in the shower. Bedroom 3. Space for any kind of bedding here and additional furniture. Another ceiling fan. Arkadia has a steps to everything West Loop location, extensive amenities, wide variety of apartments. Definitely want to put Arkadia West Loop on your must-see list. Head to Arkadia's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.